Lightning Labels provides a variety of options for the perfect custom vape product labels. Lightning Labels works with thousands of e-cig businesses to provide professional, full-color custom e-juice labels for just about any e-cigarette product. Our durable labels are made to withstand moisture and constant handling. Our state-of-the-art label printing process ensures graphics are crisp and photo quality, from bright primary colors to earthy tones. Vibrant colors on vape labels will reflect the professionalism of your brand and grab customers' attention. We have dies in thousands of sizes and various shapes, offer many options for custom label materials and laminates, minimum quantities as low as 50 labels, and lightning-fast turnaround times. We offer free ground shipping for orders placed online, and every account receives a dedicated account manager for personalized customer service, all with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So when you're in need of premium vape product labels, look no further than Lightning Labels. Lightning Labels has been servicing the needs of our customers for over 19 years. We are extremely proud of our A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and guarantee your custom label buying experience with us will be a positive one.